Anyone can be a scientist. Do you know what scientists do? Scientists can do a variety of things. They can mix chemicals, discover animals, and cure diseases. But how do they do these things? The scientific method. The scientific method is the process scientists use to answer questions they have about the world. Let's take a look at each step. The first step is an observation. An observation creates the question that needs to be answered. The next step is research. It is important to know as much information about the topic before continuing. After research, it's time to form a hypothesis. The hypothesis is a guess about the results of the experiment based on the research. Now it is time to test the hypothesis with an experiment. In the experiment, data or findings can be collected in a variety of ways. In the experiment, the independent variable, what the scientist changes, affects the dependent variable to answer the question. Once an experiment has been done and the data has been collected, it is time to interpret, explain, and apply the data. Based on the analysis of the data, conclusions can be drawn. A conclusion should answer the question from the beginning. But wait, the conclusion drawn isn't perfect just based on one experiment. Good conclusions are peer-reviewed to make sure accurate and repeatable data is presented. Now that you know how scientists answer questions, what are some questions you could use the scientific method to answer?